to do SFS on Snapchat. So SFS means Snapchat for Snapchat. So what you have to do is first open up your Snapchat application. And then after opening your Snapchat, now you can simply take a snap, and then you can go for the text which is on the upper right side, and here you have to simply tag a person. And after tagging, now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right side, and then you can go and post it on your story. And now tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right, and now after posting it, now the person whom you have tagged on your story, that person should also tag you on their story. So that is what Snapchat for Snapchat mean. So that's it. That's how you do SFS. So this is basically done to increase the followers or increase the friends on your Snapchat. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.